Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be doing something different. Well, different. I already did something with interior. I replaced the whole thing from gray leather to black leather. See my video here or here, wherever I will put it. And while I was replacing that, the center console, what I did get rid of, it wasn't the best shape. So what I'm gonna do, apart from connecting my stereo and button up things, because my dashboard wasn't working correctly, so I was tracing down, but I didn't connect it. But never mind that. Oh well, it actually works now. It's just never I know I did lose this cover, and I don't know what I did lost it. Well, but that's a sidetrack. So let's see what we can do with this. As you can see, it's held in by screws, so it shouldn't be that difficult to replace it. Well, I'm gonna undo these screws, and I'm gonna try to put this one on. Okay, let's see. All right, that seems to be all screws. Let's see if it will let go. Yeah, that's some kind of cover. Some kind of cover, but it still holds. Wow, I didn't miss any screw, so it must be glued in. No, it wasn't glued in. It was just stuck. So by the look of it, they did staple this in. Let's have a closer look. So it's stapled in and glued. So what am I supposed to do with this? Oh, we have little screws here. Look. What am I gonna try? I'm gonna try to unscrew it here. Yep. Now we can remove it. Alright. Yeah, it's easier than I was thinking. So, yeah. Let's see if that new replacement leather just fits right over. Actually, yeah, right on. They actually did make even the same pattern. What is the original one? So you can tie it up in the same places. Okay. But how I will be not able to staple it back in the spot like they did. That's the thing. Because the original is glued. I don't know what I will do. I don't know what I will do with it. You know what? Might not be that easy as I was thinking. That's the thing. I never done anything like this, so I have no clue if I would be doing that good or bad. But that's kind of my thing. I just go with it. I mean, the leather looks kind of right size. There's a latch. I will try to remove it. See what is under that latch. How it's stuck there. Okay, latch out. So by the look of it, and this is just my wild guess. Yeah, you need to kind of stretch it at first. Yeah, so I'm gonna remove the original. Yeah, it's the glue and some these metal bits. I will get back to you how it looks like without the. Hey guys, so after an hour and a half fighting with this, I did figure out how to do it actually. So I did use different tape. I did use this see-through double-sided tape from AliExpress. It's like a jelly and it's very strong. Yeah. The tape what they did include with it wasn't bad, but that would be if I really know what I'm doing. So I did have to cut off lots of pieces from it there so it doesn't overhang, so it was actually a little bigger than it should be, but I guess that's all right. So each of these sections I did cut small part of that tape and just like pull it down and tuck it in, pull it down and tuck it in. This one I just did like over tuck, like double way, like glue it in and glue it again over. And I know from outside, from inside doesn't look much, but I didn't wanna cut it here, so it would be like going sideways, and I might have like a tear there. So all around I did that like this, and this is the result. Yeah, this creases inside. It's when I was pulling the original leather, so it took a little bit of foam with it, but otherwise, I think I couldn't straight this crease. But I think otherwise it's look alright. It's look way better than the old one, which did have a bolt patches on it and stuff. So I'm gonna take it now to the car and let's install it back in car so you can see the final result. Alright, so we are back in the car. Let's put it back together. Woo! Okay. So I got this latch. I will put it back in the spot. Okay. It goes here. Okay. That's back in. So it's flex. Okay, let's put this one back in the spot. Okay, it's the ugly one, old one, all shiny and both patches. Okay, let's put this thing back in the spot. Here's actually lots of screws and stuff what will keep the leather in the spot. So that's good. Just guys, if you do that with an electric screwdriver like I do, just be careful not over tighten it, because it's everything goes in a plastic. Okay, that's that. It looks good. Yeah, looks alright, right? Hi guys, thank you for watching, and I do appreciate that if you did stick till the end. And as you can see, I'm still have a long journey, and I'm hoping you will stick around so you can see where I will take it. And yeah, next thing will be something in the engine again, because I'm waiting for silicone hoses. So once I will be doing that, I will be actually dressing up the engine. So I will be taking care of rusty spots, like all those brackets and everything, and rocker covers. So I would like to, I'm thinking powder coat them, but we'll see what I will decide about that. But that's for the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.